Let's discuss what is Job Seeker Allowance. You can apply for new Job Seeker Allowance, which is also known as JSA, to help you when you are looking for work. Now, let's discuss the eligibility requirement for the JSA. To be eligible for new Job Seeker Allowance, you will need to have both: one, work as an employee; second, paid Class 1 national insurance contribution, usually in the last 2 to 3 years. If you have paid Class 2 national insurance or you were self employed, then you are not eligible for the Job Seeker Allowance. You can apply for universal credit in that case. You also need to be over 18. In some cases, if you are 16 and 17-year-old, you can take advice from the Job Center Plus. Be under state pension age, not be in full time education, be available for work, not be working at the moment, or working less than 16 hours, not have an illness or disability which stop you working. Live in England, Scotland, or Wales. Now let's discuss the calculation how much income you will get from the job seeker allowance. If you start working more than 16 hours a week, you might stop being eligible for job seeker allowance. So you need to make sure that you work less than 16 hours a week if you wanted to claim job seeker allowance. You might stop being eligible for job seeker allowance if your partner start working 24 hours or more a week, or increase their hours to 16 hours or more. Your saving increase to 16,000 or more, including your partner's saving. Now let's discuss what you will get. There is a maximum amount you will get, but how much you are entitled to depend on your age. Use a benefit calculator to check how much job seeker allowance you will get and how your other benefits will be affected. If you are age up to 24-year-old, you will get 67 pound 20 pence per week. If you are 25 and over, you will get 84 pound 80 pence. While you receive job seeker allowance, you will need to take responsible steps to look for work as agreed with your work coach. Your saving and your partner income and saving will not affect your claim. You can get new job seeker allowance for up to 180 days. After this, you can talk to your work coach about your options. Now let's discuss how to apply for new job seeker allowance. To apply, you need to have your national insurance number, your bank details, your employment details for the past 6 months. You will need to provide a statement letter if you receive any money from your private pension, workplace pension, or an annuity from being paid. Now let's discuss how to apply online. You need to go on this website www.gov.uk. You will come to this page where you will click apply for new job seekers allowance. Can you backdate job seeker allowance? You can backdate your claim up to 3 months in certain circumstances. What happens after your job seeker allowance claim? The Department of Work and Pension, which is also known as DWP, will then contact you within 14 days of your applying. You will either be invited to an interview at your local job center plus office, receive a letter to explain why you are not eligible for job seeker allowance. You do not need to contact DWP unless it has more than 14 days since you applied. If you gave your mobile number or email address, they will contact you or they will send you a text message. Now let's discuss how you are paid. Your first payment, you may have to wait for 7 days after applying for your job seeker allowance to start, up to 2 weeks after you get your first payment. Your first payment may not be full amount. After your first payment will usually be made every 2 weeks, and then it will be the same day you will get after every 2 weeks. How to contact? You can contact Job Center Plus on a telephone number 0800 169 0310, Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you have any questions regarding the job seeker allowance, then feel free to email me or contact me on the comment section and I'll get back to you.